Alright guys, welcome to the Tuesday Directions video. Today we're going to be completing the political party's evolution. Yesterday we talked about how when George Washington became president, there was no such thing as political parties, but eventually they do get created during this time period. So we're going to kind of look at them. You can make an argument that the Anti-Federalists and Federalists were the first political parties, and some people do. So we kind of start with them, and I'll show you guys the evolution of them throughout the times. And it's also good for me because we're going to talk about all these political parties when they come up in either this unit or the unit coming up here. So you'll have a little bit of a preview on some of the political parties. So we obviously don't have to spend so much time talking about them when they do come up because you already kind of know a little bit about them. So here's the assignment today. If you're online, watch the political parties video first. It'll help make this make more sense. And then if you are in class, we'll just watch it together. So here's what the assignment is. You will use this sheet right here to help fill in your answers right here. So if I click on this one right here, you can kind of see it. It's like a flow chart kind of deal. It has the Federalists, Democratic Republicans, Whig Party, Democrats. So it's going to be kind of, this is the beginning of it, and it's kind of just going to flow into our modern times. So you kind of just use this right here. Again, you have the years right there to help you out. You have kind of these bullet points right here to help you out, and you can see it kind of just flows through from a timesheet up to about the 1912. All right, so just after World War I. So not all the political parties, but the stuff that we'll be talking about this year for the most part. So you'll use this sheet right here to help you out. Now your answers will go right here. So if you want to file and make a copy of this, so if you click on it there, you guys won't be able to type on it, but I obviously can. So if you want to use this and just fill it in, just click File, and then make a copy, and then you'll be able to type right in here. So the questions go in order from the original sheet. As you can see, you have just a few questions here. They do go in order, like I said, so make sure that you go through it, fill in all the answers here. It may take a little bit of time, but it actually goes pretty fast once you kind of get going. All right, and then the quick right on the bottom, the big question is, if you were a voter during the year 1780 to 1824, which political parties would you support, and give 3 reasons why you would. So keep an eye out for the date, so you don't go past this date, right? You're not picking a party because the flow chart does go past this date. So make sure you pick a party within this time frame, and then you need to give me 3 reasons why you would have selected to vote for that party. You can obviously use Google if you can't find the 3 reasons. Just try to give yourself some more options there. Full sentences, they should be written in a paragraph form, so 3 to 5 sentences. Spelling and grammar counts as normal. And you need to have a couple parts of this. I select this political party between this time period, so that's the first part, and then obviously your 3 reasons why. So that's it for today. Watch the video, go through the flow chart, look and deal to answer the questions on this sheet right here, and once you're done, just turn it in. Due tomorrow, 8:15 as always, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.